Friends, in science 2 today we are going to see about world of microbes. So what are microbes? What is the branch of this microbiology deals with? So microbiology is a branch of biology that deals with the living organisms which are microscopic in nature. They may be bacteria, fungus, algae, protozoan and virus. Microbes are found in all the habitat like terrestrial, aquatic, atmospheric and in living host. Some microbes are beneficial to us and they are used in the preparation of curds, bread, cheese, alcohol, vaccines and vitamins, while some others are harmful and causing diseases to plants and also animals, including human beings. So let's see what are the types of bacteria and how they are useful to us and how they are beneficial and how they are harming us. Now let's see the microbes. So microorganisms differ from each other in size, morphology, habitat, metabolism and several other features. Microbes, it, the word is derived from the Greek word that is micros or small. Bios means life, bearing or biology. Life bearing. Then logy is a study. So study of small life organisms, that is only microbes. Now let's see about the microorganisms and their types. So it differ in sizes and shapes and their habitat. So microbes may be unicellular, multicellular or acellular. Types of microbes includes bacteria, viruses, fungus, microscopic algae and some protistas. Okay. Now let's see about the bacteria. When we say about bacteria, bacteria are microscopic, single-celled prokaryotic organisms without nucleus. So prokaryote means they are not having a well-developed nucleus, but other organelles is also present, but they are also not well developed. So only they are coming under the group prokaryotes. Okay, next we will see about the bacteria specifics or what are the species of it. So bacteria are also having different types on the difference of their shapes and structure. Okay, so although majority of bacterial species exist as single cell forms only, okay, they are mostly single cell organisms only few or when they joins together they form a multicellular organism. Okay, now let's see the size may vary from 0.1 mu microns to 10 mu microns in length and millimeters in width also. So bacteria are motile and non-motile. So motile means they are moving. They can move with the help of a flagellum or a hair-like structure. So non-motile means they are not moved. They are seen in a particular place itself. Special structures called as a flagella. So flagella only helps them to move. Now let's see the structure. On the whole, when we say about the structure of bacteria, bacterial cells have cell membrane. They are covered with the cell membrane with a strong rigid cell wall. In some bacteria, outside cell wall there is an additional slimy protective covering is also present, that is called as a capsule, which is made up of polysaccharides. Now let's see the shape, bacteria movement. So already we have seen the movement. Some bacteria are non-motile, that is they are not able to move from place to place. Motile means they can move from place to place. Then let's see the shapes of bacteria. Based on the shapes, bacteria are grouped as spherical shaped bacteria, rod shaped bacteria and spiral shaped. So spherical shaped bacteria are called as the cocci or coccus. Rod shaped bacteria are called as the bacillus, whereas the spiral shaped bacteria are called as the spirilla or spirillum. But all these are single cell organisms only. Then we shall see the structure. On the whole, we have seen the structure, that is they are made up of a well definite cell wall, and it is also, in addition, they are also having a capsule around it. The plasma membrane encloses the cytoplasm, that is they are having a nucleus which is called as the nucleoid because they are not well developed. Then they may have ribosomes and DNA, which is the genetic material for reproductions. Then ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. So protein synthesis takes place in bacteria. They lack some other organelles also. In addition, small extra chromosome, that is circular DNA, is also present, a special structure which is seen only in bacteria, that is called as the plast. Plasmid is also present in bacteria alone. Okay, it is seen in the cytoplasm. So that's all about bacteria. So we shall see virus in the next class. Thank you.